Want more people watching your Trovo live streams? You're in the right place. Boost your live audience instantly and make your streams impossible to ignore. Here's what Famety Trovo Live Viewers is all about. Famety Trovo Live Viewers helps you increase the number of viewers on your Trovo live streams instantly. Whether you're just starting out or want to boost your audience, this service makes your streams look more active and engaging. What makes it so valuable? Your live viewer count increases in real time. It improves your visibility and ranking on Trovo. Your streams look more popular and trustworthy. Organic viewers are more likely to join in. With a larger audience, your channel gains credibility and attracts even more attention. Ready to get started? Here's how it works. First, open a live stream on Trovo after logging into your account with your email and password. Then copy the link of your live content. Open Famety's Trovo Live Viewers service page. Now paste your stream URL in the appropriate box. Choose the number of viewers you'd like to purchase. In this step, you can select the discounted package that fits your needs or customize the number of Trovo viewers and the duration for the live stream. Once you check the information, click on the Buy Now button to proceed to checkout. Once you're done, live viewers will start showing up in your stream within minutes. Why choose Famety? Fast and reliable delivery, 100% real and active viewers. Secure payments with no password required, 24/7 customer support to help anytime. Don't wait. Boost your Trovo live streams today with Famety and grow your audience effortlessly.